so
Lots of color.
That fashionably late is going on. I'm loving the iconic red that is so hot for this summer. And
Iconic red, yes.
Alright guys.
so awesome for people to branch out and wear that red color. It's so fabulous, especially with this theme of the bird for Zoobilation at 2017. It's so nice. You're seeing a lot of fun play with all the gentlemen as far as shorts, sandals, how do I say?
Cummerbunds with birds, cummerbunds with palm trees, cummerbunds with flamingos.
Yes,
We've
so
seen every
many.
color of the rainbow.
That's awesome. But now, beautiful. I did a little bit. As long as you have the color, that works.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh, you are all in.
I am always all in.
But now, are they going to have the birds